Number 19 is the celebrity niche. There's tons of huge celebrity channels on YouTube in which the people running the channels never even show their face. Now let me show you a couple example channels doing this. The first of which is called Grunge, with over 1 million subscribers on their channel, and they just upload videos like celebrities you didn't know passed away. This is how Game of Thrones really should have ended. Bloopers that got these reporters fired, and these videos get millions upon millions of views. And if we take a look at the Social Blade stats for this channel is getting 18 million views a month. They could be making between $4,000 and $70,000 per month just from ad revenue alone. So I would estimate that this channel is making around $40,000 to $60,000 a month just from ad revenue alone. And as you can see, these videos get a lot of views. Here's yet another channel doing this called Looper. With over 5 million subscribers on their channel, they upload these same types of celebrity videos, either talking about certain movies, certain celebrities, or things around the movie industry and the entertainment industry in general. And these videos get a ton of views. Now let me ask you a question. If you had the choice between trying to do this all yourself, guessing what's going to work, and learning through trial and error, or straight up discovering what works and working with someone who's already done this time and time again. If you chose the second option, I'd love to introduce you to my course and coaching program called Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0. Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0 is a step-by-step blueprint that walks through exactly how I run 9 different profitable YouTube channels, how I actually generate my videos, get other people to make the videos for me, how I make sure my videos are optimized so that they get views and so that you're not just wasting your time with YouTube. Plus, you get to join a private community that I'm in every single day, answering as many questions as I possibly can so that you can get the help and support that you need along the way from someone who's actually done this. So if you're interested in Tube Mastery and Monetization, you can check out the link below this video right here.